Hello, this is Bill Hartman. Just a kind of a quick tip for those people out there that are DIYs, do-it-yourself type people. Ran into a situation this past week where somebody answered a phone call and ended up buying health insurance online over the phone. And a year and a half goes by, and every time he tried to use the insurance, he was just being told he didn't have it. In fact, he never actually received an ID card, and it had been a year and a half. And so we started doing some research on it, started doing some looking into it a little bit better, and I actually did find him online and was able to import his information, help him get an app set up on his phone to where he could actually access his ID card. But for the last year and a half, this gentleman has been paying for his own medications and his own doctor visits right out of his own pocket because he was being told he didn't have insurance. He wasn't paying a premium because the person that enrolled him actually ran his income pretty low to where the guy had a zero premium through the marketplace. He was not paying a premium. He was taking a very expensive medication that his copay should have only been $50. So we're doing some in-depth work for him, trying to get copies of printouts from the pharmacy so we can get these filed for him, and hopefully he can recoup some of this money. It never costs you anything to sit down with a licensed professional in your area. You can call our office, call an agent that's local, find somebody that you can actually sit down with. If somebody's calling you over the phone, they're just interested in a sale. They're not necessarily looking out for your best interest. You'll have a hard time calling that person back and getting through to that person. So it's important to work with a licensed professional agent. Just a quick tip for today. Hope you have a great week.